Hey, hello friends, welcome back to Brintechno. Welcome to our new and fresh video, guys. Yes guys, your boy and your mama is back with another new and fresh video. So today we are going to show you how to prepare chicken handi in restaurant style. To know how to prepare this creamy, yummy and delicious chicken handi, stay tuned till the end. So let's move to the kitchen. Here we have taken 1 kg medium sized chopped chicken. Now first we need to dry roast 2 teaspoon coriander seeds and we need to crush it. Now take a cooking pot. Add little oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once oil and ghee reaches to moderate temperature, add 3 finely chopped onions and saute it for a while till it turns light brown. Once the onion turns light brown, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it till it gets rid of its raw flavor. Now add 3 finely chopped tomatoes and saute it till it becomes nice and soft. Once tomatoes are nice and soft, add little bit of salt to taste. Now add 3 finely chopped green chilies and add crushed coriander seeds and give a quick shot of mix. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder and mix it nice and thoroughly. Once the oil starts extracting from the masala, add 1 kg of medium sized chopped chicken and now add little bit of salt to taste and mix it nice and thoroughly and put the lid on and let it cook in its steam for 5 minutes. Now open the lid and add 150 ml or 1 cup of fresh curd to the chicken. Saute it nicely and bring it to boil. Add 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon of garam masala and mix it nice and thoroughly. And now add 150 ml or 1 cup of fresh cream to the chicken and now let it cook for another 5 more minutes. And now the yummy, delicious and creamy chicken handi is ready to serve hot. So guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this chicken handi recipe, do hit the subscribe button and also do hit the like and share with your friends. If you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comment section below. This is Brintechno and this is Mama Brintechno signing off from today's video. Bye bye guys, love you, take care.